Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Bish from DPS Lamachor. Today in this session, we'll be discussing about the interest on capital. As in the previous session, we have discussed the types of capital account prepared in partnership firm. So today we'll be studying about how to calculate the interest on capital allowed on partners. See, as in the previous sessions, we have discussed that in the absence of partnership deed, interest on capital will not be allowed on partners. But if there is a provision for interest on capital in the partnership deed, then it will be allowed only when the company is earning profit for the current financial position. So here, there are two situations in calculating interest on capital. First situation is when partners contribute unequal amount of capital and shares the profit equally. And second condition is when partners contribute same amount of capital and shares unequal profits. So this is the two situation according to which interest on capital is allowed on partners. So first situation is where the partners contribute unequal amount of capital. Some partner may bring large amount of capital with them, or some partners may bring small amount of capital with them, but they share the equal profit among them. Second is when partners contribute same amount of capital and shares unequal profit. So sometimes there may be condition where the partners brings same amount of capital with them, but they shares the profit unequally. So now we will be solving the question based on calculation of interest on capital. So question is illustration 4 of NCERT page number 75. Question is Saloni and Shrishti are partners in a firm. Their capital accounts as on 1st April 2016 showed a balance of rupees 2 lakh and 3 lakh respectively. That means the balance of capital account of Saloni is 2 lakh and Shrishti is 3 lakh. Then on 1st July 2016, Saloni introduced additional capital of rupees 50,000 and Shrishti rupees 60,000. Then on 1st October, Saloni withdrew rupees 30,000 and on 1st January 2016, Shrishti withdrew rupees 15,000 from their capitals. Interest is allowed at the rate 8% per annum. So you have to calculate the interest payable on capital to both the partners during the financial year 2016 to 2017. So here financial year is 1st April 2016 to 31st March 2017. And according to the question, Saloni and Shrishti are two partners and they have an opening capital balance. They also bring themselves with some additional capital and also withdrew some amount of drawings from their capital account. So now we will find out how to calculate interest on capital. So according to the question, first we will find out the amount of interest on capital allowed on Saloni. Now, on 1st April, the opening balance of Saloni was rupees 2 lakh. 1st April, opening balance of capital account. It was 2 lakh. Rate of interest on capital is 8%. So we will charge interest on capital for the whole year because the opening balance of capital was on 1st April 2016. So here interest on capital will be allowed for the whole year. Amount will be 16,000. Then on 1st July 2016, Saloni brought the additional capital of rupees 50,000. Additional capital 50,000. This capital was brought in on 1st July. So we will allow the interest at the rate 8%, but for the time period of 9 months. Why? Because this capital has been brought in by Saloni on 1st July. So we will calculate the time period from 1st July to 31st March, which is 9 months. So here the amount will be 3,000. This will be the interest on capital for 9 months. So the total interest on capital of Saloni will be 19,000. But according to the question, on 1st October 2016, Saloni withdrew 30,000. So this amount has been withdrawn from the capital account. So we will subtract this amount. Drawings. So the amount withdrawn by Saloni was 30,000. 30,000. Rate of interest on capital is 8%, and it will be calculated for the time period of 3 months, which is from 6 months, which is from 1st October to 31st March. Amount is 1200. So by subtracting 1200 from 19,000, the amount of interest on capital allowed to Saloni will be 17,800. So in the same way, we'll calculate the interest on capital allowed on Shrishti. So here we'll be calculating the interest on capital allowed on Shrishti. So on 1st April 2016, amount of capital brought in by Shrishti was rupees 3 lakh, and this was the opening balance of capital account of Shrishti. So amount of opening capital is 3 lakh. Rate of interest on capital is 8%. As this balance was brought in by Shrishti on 1st April 2016, it will be interest on capital will be charged for the whole year to 31st March 2017. Here the amount of interest on capital will be 24,000. Now according to the question, on 1st July 2016, Shrishti brought in the new capital or additional capital of rupees 60,000. So here we will add additional capital which was brought in on 1st July 2016. Additional capital amounting to rupees 60,000. So 60,000 is the amount of additional capital brought in by Shrishti. We will allow the interest on capital charged at the rate 8%. Now, this additional capital was brought in on 1st July 2016. So we will charge the interest for the time period till 31st March 2017, which is 9 months. It is a time duration of 9 months. So by calculating this, we get 3,600 as the amount of interest charged on Saloni on additional capital. So here the total amount of interest on capital on Saloni will be 27,600. Now on 1st January 2016, Shrishti withdrew rupees 15,000 from their capital. So this amount will be deducted because This is the amount withdrawn by Shrishti from her capital account. This capital was withdrawn, this amount was withdrawn on 1st January 2017 and it is considered as drawings. Amount is 15,000. Now again, interest on capital will be charged at the rate 8% and the amount was withdrawn on 1st January and we will calculate the interest on capital for the time period till 31st March 2017, which is the duration of 3 months. So we will charge interest on capital for the time period of 3 months. So by calculating this we get 300. So subtracting 300 from 27,600 we get the amount 27,300 as interest on capital charged on Shrishti. So this is how question based on interest on capital allowed on partners is solved. In the next session, we'll be solving some practical question based on interest on drawings. That's all for today. Thank you.